What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to update Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It's just a simple click of a button, but it helps me out a lot, so I really appreciate it. Also, hit the bell button and please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers looking for help with their devices. In order to update your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, you need to go into Settings, then scroll down to Software Update. Once you click on a software update, you will see three options: download and install, auto download over Wi-Fi, and last update. If it seems like you need an update, simply click on the download and install. If your software is up to date, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will tell you so, just like in my case. And if there is a new update, it will show you the version of the update and will give you an option to download and install. Once it will download and install, you can then click on the last update where you will see information like last date your tablet has been updated, what has been updated, and software information, which will help you understand what is new to your tablet and what the update will accomplish for your tablet. For example, like improve your tablet's performance. Some of you may say, why would you make this video? It's pretty straightforward on how to update your tablet. Yes, you might be right. To some it may be straightforward and to others it may not. But I also wanted to note the importance of making sure your tablet stays up to date, because most of the glitches or performance issues have something to do with the fact that your device is not up to date. So for those of you who are bad with keeping your device up to date, I would suggest to turn on the option of auto download over Wi-Fi. That way you won't have to worry about updating your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and it will always be up to date by updating itself. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to update Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. Please subscribe because it shows that my hard work of making these videos for you guys has been recognized. And don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.